Hey everyone, Chell here again with Prismatic Powders. Today we're going to talk about spraying metallics that have large metallic flake and how to get the best finish with them. Powders that have large metallic flake have a desirable look, but the fact that the flakes themselves are large, thick, and heavy means that you will need to make some adjustments to get the best results. Most of the time people are wanting a nice smooth finish, and a couple spraying characteristics of these types of powders present some small challenges that can be overcome, so we're going to give you some tips on overcoming these obstacles. We're going to break it down into two categories: equipment and voltage adjustments. First, let's talk about the foundational equipment needed for best results. This includes a fluidizer and an earth ground. The fluidizer will ensure uniform distribution of the metallic flake, and this is important because you want even distribution of the metallic. This is both for aesthetics and for the quality of the finish. You won't get heavy concentrations of metallic in one area and light metallics in another. Now the second is having an earth ground in place. Now you can get your voltage right, but if you don't have a good ground, it's not really going to help you. So that ground is going to ensure that there is a strong attraction of the charged powder and metallics to the actual part. Now let's go over two scenarios and how to overcome them. The first scenario is when you have powder sticking to the part, but the metallic flake is dropping to the floor. For this scenario, you really need to check your ground first. Make sure your wire is connected. Sometimes you can forget. And if need be, move it closer to the part. Then gradually increase your voltage output until it begins to stick. Now, depending on your setup, you'll either adjust your kV settings, if that's all you can adjust, or if you have the option, adjust your microamp settings. The next scenario occurs when the voltage output is too high, and this is when the flake and the powder are both sticking, but the part appearance is a little rough. This is because the extra charge is causing the metallic flake to lift, and obviously the solution here is to reduce the voltage output until the flake is laying nice and flat. But the problem here is that oftentimes people don't realize that this is happening until the powder is flashed or cured, and it is for this reason that we often repeat the guideline for charging powder: as low as possible, as high as necessary. And this will help you avoid some common mistakes when spraying multi-stage applications and when spraying metallics. And lastly, it is important to understand that some of these metallics simply need the addition of a clear coat over top to get the best finish. But following these steps will help you get the best results. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.